Hey, welcome to my shop. Come on in, let me give you a tour. So we finally finished the shop this past November. So a little over a year to build. It has been quite a process, but I'm absolutely loving it. This area over here is a game changer. We've got the heated floors, so that keeps everything in here so comfortable, even when it's literally minus degrees outside. The miter saw here is the newest addition to the shop, and these are just some old repurposed cabinets, which work great as far as having extra work surfaces as well as serving for a spot for the miter saw to be. Over here we got the CNC. I have had the CNC for almost 2 years and I've not even turned it on yet. I know. But 2023 is going to be the year for the CNC. In the past 2 years, we've been moving, building the shop, so really we've not really had an opportunity to use it. But this year, this is going to be the tool to use. And then over here on this wall, got a lot of storage for supplies and hand tools. And then over here, we've got the lathe area and all of the tools associated with it. This is the area that Marvin uses the most, so it just makes sense to have everything together for it. This area right here is still a work in progress. Trying to figure out where exactly each of the tools work best and has the right amount of space for each of them. So that's definitely going to be something that's kind of changing over probably the next few months anyway in particular. Then right here, we've got Jackie the jointer, Beulah the bandsaw. And then the tool that I use the most is definitely the table saw here, miter saw, and this organizational cart here too. This cart works really well at just literally storing all the supplies and the hand tools, and then I can move it around wherever I need it. This is definitely my busiest zone. Now the parts that we are still working on trying to figure out, dust collection is definitely an important one because we're trying to figure out how to get everything covered, even if we're using multiple tools at the same time, and getting everything connected. Now let's go outside where I've got extra areas. All right, so out here is what we're referring to as the metalworking area. We've got the forge that will be set up out here as well to go with the anvil. And then we've also just assembled the welding table. So this is where we're going to be doing those kind of things so that we don't have to worry about all the sawdust that is inside the shop. Now, one more area to show you. That's kind of the bonus area. All right, another great feature of the shop is the fact that it is 2 stories. Now, keep in mind, this deck area here is a work in progress. We have a lot to do on it yet, but let me show you inside. Storage galore. That's what we've got up here. Since we just finished building the shop, we've got a lot of leftover material, whether it's 2x4s, OSB, plywood. So we're using those to build these mobile carts. So whether we're keeping extra supplies for the shop downstairs or just some of our other things that we need to store, we just put them up here. These carts have been great because they're all mobile. So we can move them around however we need to. I'll probably be doing a YouTube video in the near future on building these. We've kind of had a couple different designs, but yeah, they have been so handy to be able to keep this area organized upstairs. Want to give you a quick little tour into Marvin's office here as well. He does a lot of hunting and fishing, so this is kind of his area where he's keeping all of that in. And then we did the barnwood wall, which was a really fun project. And then we also have French cleats in here, similar to how we have set up in the shop. Well, thanks for watching. If you guys have any suggestions, advice, recommendations, let me know. Shoot me some comments below. And I'll be keeping you updated as we make some more changes, whether it's adding the dust collection down here or building more carts up there. So thanks a lot and stay tuned for some more videos.